Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Kids Special Learning. Kids, today we will talk about the birds. First one is
Pigeon.
Yes, this is pigeon. Can you tell me the name of this bird?
Yes, parrot.
Yes, this is parrot. And next one is
Crow.
this is crow. And this is
Peacock.
yes, this is peacock. And next one?
Vulture.
Okay, the next one?
Ostrich.
Yes, this is ostrich. And this is?
Hen.
Yes, it's hen. This one?
Sparrow.
Yes, sparrow. And this is?
Myna.
Myna. Next is?
Penguin.
Yes, this is penguin. And next one?
Owl.
Yes. And what is this?
Swan.
Yes, this is swan. And this one?
Kingfisher.
Okay, next?
Duck.
Very good. And this one?
Nightingale.
Yes, this is nightingale. If you liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.